Are you ready to pop? Let's get started. Look what we have here, guys. Now, to get more into it, let's take the lids off. Look what it says. It says Pop Me. Now let's take the lid off. Instead of Pop Snouts, we have PopPets. As you can see, and different colors. And here we have our placemat, our big collector's guide, and in here we have a smaller collector's guide. But look what's on the back. What our collector's guide says, welcome to the world of PopTropolis. It says they're cute little creatures with curious features. And here we have some beautiful scenery, as you can see. A movie, a river, a merry-go-round, some food, and even more food at a picnic. And my sister will be helping me. And I will take one of the 12 packs, and let's start. Are you ready to pop? Because I am, and my sister. And our first one, we have purple slime, and we have our first character. It looks like a little mermaid or just like with a unicorn floaty. And this slime is not like the snot one. It's more like hard because the last one was like water slime. This one's better. Let's just keep popping and popping and popping. Okay, I'll help you. We have a little silver little piggy. It's so cute. It looks like a little baby. Look how cute.
We have a lid of this, like a baby bird.
Go. We have one. Let's try this other one. Wait, Grace, just wait. So we have one. And we have another one at the same one. So we have duplicates. The unicorn floaty with like a penguin.
I want to see it.
And the next one is, did you take mine? Hey, you shouldn't throw this away, guys, because I feel like this is a great spot to put all of your prizes, pets. As you can see, I've been storing them here. We have some duplicates, and then you can cover with 2 of them. Let's just keep on popping. Next one.
I want the pink one.
You want a pink one? Here you go.
I want another one.
So let's take the purple slime, and let's do our next one. So there's no surprise. Woo! Let's try our next one. Let's do a pink one this time.
That's mine.
So it's your turn and then my turn. Want me to help you? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Just pop. Look how cute this little piglet is. It's a taco. And let's put her slime there. And now it's my turn. Just pop. I thought this thing wasn't going to have a surprise, but it does. Look how cute this little unicorn is.
I want to see it. I want to see it.
Here it is.
A unicorn.
Let's both do this pop. Let's see if we have any surprise. I see a surprise. This is so cute. It's like a metallic blue headphones. A little DJ. Pop. We just popped one. We have another DJ. Let's put it with the DJ. Slime. Let's do our next one. Another DJ. Let's see if this is not a DJ. Finally, a different one. This is a little cowgirl. It's just like a dog. Just like a dog or a pig. It's so cute.
Okay.
Last one.
I did it!
You did it! Finally!
I did it! I did my 18 rows.
Did you get anything?
No.
Let me check. Yep, she didn't get anything, guys. Since my sister can't pop like this, we're gonna try the water bottle to pop like this. Let's use the other side. So we can't do it with the water bottles, then let's find something else. You can do it. Did you pop it? Oh yeah.
I just right here.
Nice. Let's try it together. 3, 2,
I want
1.
PopPets.
Oh, do you have a surprise? Go look at it. Let's look at the surprise. So I have a narwhal with like a birthday hat. Super cute. And my sister has a little chef dog.
I love it.
Look how much slime I have.
Oh, much slime from my pink one.
Yep. Her slime is a bit more like watery, and my slime is a bit harder. But I have tons more, and I have thick slime. She has thin, cold slime. Roof, roof. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So we have no surprise, but tons of slime, and let's do our last one.
I did it!
You did it! Oh, we have a surprise, guys. Let's see what it is. Take all of our slime out to see our good surprise. Look how cute this is.
I have.
Bubble pop. Look how cute it is.
I have.
What do you have? Look at this, guys. It's a little doggy. We have a duplicate of it. Let's go find it. Here it is.
Yeah, but it's like this.
Twinsies.
Thank you, Yulu.
I want to say a special thank you to Yulu for sending us this amazing product. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more information on these PopPets, the link will be down below. Give me a thumbs up, watch the video over and over again, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Bye!